I missed you, my old friends. Sorry I've been gone. Thanks for the kind words to help me carry on. I'm trying to catch up, to stand tall. All of my blessings and love to you all. In every sunrise I find a new light. In every sunset there's new hope inside. Learn to embrace all that this life can bring, the good or the bad, all part of this thing. So cherish each moment, both joyful and sad. Be grateful for the lessons we've already had. With a heart truly open, move forward with grace. Appreciate all things in this beautiful place. I missed you, my old friend. Sorry I've been gone. Thanks for the kind words to help me carry on. I'm still trying to catch up. Again I'll stand tall. I send all my blessings and my love to you all. Here's to new beginnings, to love and to light, to friendships that guide us through day and through night. As we pick up the pieces that felt broken up, fixing what's fell, we will be strong enough. I send all my blessings and love to you all, my prayers and my hope that